This course is about building a free marketing platform using WordPress. In this video, we'll go over the high-level plan for our project, and we'll go over some of the free hosting options. You can take advantage of some of the opportunities on the internet, but don't have to take a big risk in investing in something that you're not sure will work out. I can essentially get you started for free because there are free hosting options in which you can learn to install and configure the system. It is recommended, however, that you do buy a domain, which is about $9 a year, but most everything else is available as free option, and those free options are very usable to get going. There are many ways to create a presence online. Some are risky, some work well, but it can be hard to sort through all the information to determine which one would work for you. So why not get started in a low-risk way so you can learn the skills needed to create a platform before you start investing money into more expensive options. There are many benefits to learning how to set up a marketing platform. You'll be able to learn many mechanics of marketing automation before you have to invest a lot of money into more advanced tools. Once you have this platform, it can spur you to go to the next level with your content creation and other marketing approaches you want to take. To get started, you'll need a few things, including a personal computer, which could be a Mac or PC, an internet connection, and a good quality microphone, and a webcam or a video cam or some kind of camera really helps too. Here we have a high-level checklist to get started. You'll need the hosting, you'll need a domain, and after that, you'll need to download WordPress, and you may need a FTP client, which there's a free one called FileZilla, and then you'll need to upload them to the server. But there is also usually a auto-install function on the hosting, which could save you from having to do those steps. So the first thing we should look at is some hosting options. There are some free hosting options available. Not all of them work great, but here's a few that you might want to take a look at. The first one is 000webhost.com. Then there's 50webs.com, 100webspace.com, atspace.com, awardspace.com, biz.nf free web hosting, beyethost.com, fateback.com, freehostia.com, freehostingeu.com, x10hosting.com, and zymic.com. Not all these services work the same or have the same features. Some of them work pretty well, others have limited options. But they generally are good enough to get started and learn the mechanics of setting up a system. If you have the money to invest in a better hosting option, that will certainly be worth your time, but it's not absolutely necessary. If you have the money to invest in a reliable hosting service, that's highly recommended as it will keep your project running smoothly. Bluehost is an option which has historically been very reliable and has a great service and gives pretty good performance for a shared hosting price. There are better hosting options available. One of them is called VPS, or Virtual Private Server, and it's an affordable way to have what seems like your own server, and the price is not bad these days. So you may want to look into that as well so you're not bothered by the hosting company if you use too much resources. So I'll end this video here. I don't want the videos to last much longer than 5 minutes for the time being. In the next video, I'll talk about downloading WordPress and installing it on a couple of these free hosting services.